Good morning, beautiful humans. I hope you're having a positive day. I'm going to take you along for a day in my life, starting with my morning routine. I take my time getting up and fast for about 15 hours, eating around brunch time and making sure to stretch a lot for my stiff body muscles. Today's agenda has a beautiful morning hike, going out for lunch, running some errands, and a typical evening at home filled with reading, crafting, dinner, and chores. I hope you enjoy and get inspired for a lovely day for yourselves.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on
Get it, get it.
I don't wanna tell you what not to do. I got a little free time I'm about to
A
lose.
little heavy for you.
I'm in an anxious state, be still my
And now she
heart.
looks.
I'm putting all your dreams in my Amazon cart. If it were me, I think I'd say, let's get out, let's go far away. Wonder if I may change your mind for a day. Just stay a while. If time goes by, who cares? So just stay a while. 'Cause good days come in there, so just stay a while. Like boring billionaires or kids staying up all night. We could lay in the morning light, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kinda curious to find what's underneath. I got a couple pills left for my wisdom teeth. Open a bottle of wine and tell me your story. And with a hurricane force, new category. If it were me, I think I'd say, let's get out, let's go far away. Wonder if I may change your mind for a day. Just stay a while. If time goes by, who cares? So just stay a while. 'Cause good days come in there, so just stay a while. Like boring billion.
Now that we are all ready to go, we are going to head over to the North Carolina driver's license place and registration place, 2 separate areas by each other, and get all of that handled for finalizing our move. And then we're gonna run over to the grocery store to pick up some items for dinner tonight and the next few nights. I'm excited to get all that stuff done. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long because I did do some research and it looks like about an hour and a half wait for the driver's license, because that seems to be kind of a regular DMV kind of atmosphere and wait time, versus the registration should be like a quick in and out. So fingers crossed it's not too much longer than that. I know DMVs are never really fun, but I'm excited to have a new license that says North Carolina.
Stay a while. Like boring billionaires or kids staying up all night. We could lay in the morning light, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kinda curious to find what's underneath. I got a couple pills left for my wisdom teeth. Open a bottle of wine and tell me your story. And with a hurricane force, new category. If it were me, I think I'd say, let's get out, let's go far away. Wonder if I may change your mind for a day. Just stay a while. If time goes by, who cares?
We have made it back home, and after being quoted about 60 minutes for the DMV for the driver's license, it actually took about 3 hours. But we were able to hang out in the car and wait to be called in, so we just kind of hung out and got some computer work done. Otherwise, we are back home. We are just going to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful view while we do some reading. And I'm currently reading the last Harry Potter book, so Deathly Hallows, book 7, and I'm almost done with it. So it will be my first time finishing the whole series, and I'm very excited. Once we get back home, I plan to paint some tapered candles that I have. Just more relaxing kind of stuff, have some dinner. It is springtime now. It's the first day of spring, which is super fun. I get to wear my dresses soon. The weather is a beautiful 72 today. It's gonna be a nice evening and just relax the rest of the day.
watching you walk my way. I could just stop and stare for days. All of my dreams come true every day that I'm with you. I can't believe, I can't believe you're holding you in my arms. Every fear flies to the stars. All of my love is yours, darling. I've never been so sure. I can't believe, no, I can't believe you're Take my hand, let's run away. We can get lost, let's start today. Cause if we run together, we'll be running the right way. Take my hand, let's run away. We can get lost, let's start today. Cause if we run together, we'll be running the right way. We're running the right way. Take my hand, let's run away. We could get lost, let's leave today.
Dessert is where I'm ending, you guys. It has been a long and adventure-filled day. Lots of stuff got done and a lot of great food was had. And we are just going to relax the rest of the day. I'm going to start working on this vlog to get that up for you and just watch some friends. Daniel's going to play baseball on his Xbox and I'm going to bed early tonight. Regain my energy. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time and have a great spring. Stay positive.